recent day in Birmingham, a significant gathering of British patriots took to the streets, voicing their concerns about what they perceive as the Islamisation and colonisation of Britain. With thousands in attendance, the protest was marked by fervent expressions of anger and frustration over rising crime rates, which many attributed to illegal migrants and Islamic extremism. This demonstration highlighted a growing divide within British society regarding immigration, national identity and security. The atmosphere in Birmingham was electric as patriots gathered. United by a common cause, their chants echoed through the streets, articulating a strong stance against what they see as threats to British culture and safety. Among their complaints were rising incidents of violent crime, particularly stabbings attributed to Islamic terrorists, as well as issues such as phone thefts, pickpocketing and shoplifting. For many participants, these acts were not isolated incidents, but part of a larger narrative they believe is linked to illegal immigration and the influx of individuals they view as extremists. The participants expressed a sense of urgency, feeling that the fabric of British society is under threat. Many wore symbols of national pride, such as flags and emblems, reinforcing their commitment. To preserve what they consider the core values of their nation. The message was clear. They demand an end to what they see as unchecked immigration and a rejection of extremism in all its forms. Central to the protest was a strong assertion of national identity. Many participants declared that Britain is fundamentally a Christian nation, and they argued that this identity should not be compromised. Their rhetoric often included statements asserting that no other religion has the right to impose its values on the British populace. This perspective reflects a broader concern among some citizens about the perceived erosion of traditional values in the face of multiculturalism. The insistence on maintaining a Christian identity resonates with a portion of the population that feels increasingly marginalised by the changing demographic landscape. For these individuals, the protest was not just about crime or immigration, it was a rallying cry to reaffirm their values and way of life. This sentiment taps into a historical narrative that emphasises Britain's Christian heritage and the belief that this identity is under siege. One of the primary motivations behind the protest was the belief that illegal immigration poses a direct threat to public safety. Many attendees cited specific incidents of crime that they linked to migrants, particularly focusing on violent acts attributed to Islamic extremists. This framing of the issue paints a picture of a nation under siege, where the safety of citizens is jeopardized by those who do not belong. While it is essential to address concerns about crime, the narrative that links these issues solely to immigration can be problematic. It overlooks the complexity of crime causation, which is influenced by a multitude of factors, including socio-economic conditions, access to education, and community support systems. However, for many at the protest, the urgency of their fears overshadowed the nuances of these discussions. In stark contrast to the patriotic gathering, there are voices within the community advocating for a more inclusive approach to immigration and national identity. Many individuals argue that the contributions of immigrants, including those from Islamic backgrounds, enrich British society. They emphasise the need for compassion and understanding in dealing with refugees and migrants, asserting that fear should not dictate policy or public sentiment. Counter-protests have become a common feature of such demonstrations as advocates for multiculturalism and social justice seek to challenge the narratives presented by nationalist groups. These counter-protesters often highlight the positive stories of immigrants who have integrated into society, contributed to the economy, and enriched the cultural landscape. The political climate in the UK has significantly influenced public perceptions of immigration and national identity. In recent years, political leaders have often used immigration as a rallying point, with some parties capitalising on fears to gain support. This has created an environment where extreme views can thrive, as individuals feel validated in their beliefs by political rhetoric. The rise of nationalist movements across Europe has also contributed to a climate of fear and division. With many citizens feeling economically insecure and culturally threatened, the narrative of us versus them has gained traction. This polarization can hinder constructive dialogue and exacerbate tensions between different segments of society. Media representation plays a crucial role in shaping public perceptions of immigration and crime. Sensationalist coverage of incidents involving immigrants can reinforce negative stereotypes and fuel fears. Conversely, stories highlighting the positive contributions of diverse communities often receive less attention, perpetuating a one-dimensional narrative. Responsible journalism is vital in addressing these issues. By providing balanced coverage that acknowledges the complexities of immigration and crime, the media can contribute to a more informed public discourse. This includes highlighting the systemic issues that contribute to crime and recognising the diverse experiences of immigrants in Britain. While protests can serve as a platform for expressing discontent, they also highlight the urgent need for constructive solutions to the challenges facing British society. Addressing concerns about crime requires a multifaceted approach that includes community engagement, social support systems, and effective law enforcement. Efforts to integrate immigrants into society through education, employment opportunities, and community programs can help bridge divides. By fostering a sense of belonging and shared responsibility, society can work towards a more cohesive future. The Birmingham protest underscores the complexities surrounding immigration, national identity, and security in the UK. As thousands of British patriots rallied to express their frustrations and fears, it became clear that these issues are deeply intertwined with personal experiences and broader societal narratives. While the concerns raised by the protesters are valid, it is essential to approach these discussions with nuance and empathy. Bridging the gap between opposing perspectives requires open dialogue, a willingness to listen, and a commitment to finding common ground. As the UK continues to navigate these challenges, fostering understanding and compassion will be crucial in building a more inclusive society that honours its values while embracing diversity.